Catfish. Back with another video, man. On today's video, man, we at Mr.75Caprice's show in the Joliet prison, man. Yeah, I got all this music playing. So I'm gonna turn the volume down. All y'all gonna see is cars today. Ain't gonna be none of that Catfish narrating today. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you some cars. Chilling. It's gonna reach in the building. Drive by right there. Drive by my boy. What's up, boy?
I thought I was up in goddamn Miami.
Got PC. Yes, sir, they riding around getting footage. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff out here, man. Hey guys, we turn the music back up. Y'all, this is my boy Crane Enterprise. This is his car. Yep. We ain't got long. We ain't got no music, man. We be alright. A lot of cars out here, man. It's the old Joliet prison, guys. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Woo! Look at this right here. Woo. This nice. You don't even see this year El Camino, guys. Not at all. Ooh-wee. Yeah. That thing is gorgeous. Y'all don't even see nothing. Look at the bed. It's El Camino. I don't know what year. It's old, but this boy nasty, boy. Sheesh. Got that fresh paint on it. Man. Check that out. That's beautiful.
That bicycle.
Yes, sir. There's cars everywhere, guys. Super Sport.
Catfish.
See, what up, man? Chillin', man. Trying to get this footage. Woo, this thing pretty. It's the real one, too, with buckets in it. Yes, sir. This boy clean too. Photo. You don't even see photos. Come on, man. You gotta stay in your own lane, be different. This boy clean too. Gucci, get your Gucci. Man, this thing is nice.
Thank you, man.
You don't see that many photos, guys. Ooh, wait. Look through that. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I see through that? Oh, he ain't playing. He did it right. Come on now. Damn. I see the speakers in the back window. He ain't playing. Did the whole suspension and everything, guys. Got the steering wheel. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. Got AC too, guys. Come on, y'all see the compressor right there. You guys say you gotta stay cold too. Hey guys, we got Gabe in the building, man. Y'all see him right there. Yes, sir. We got Playboy. Got a show and go 10 up. These bikes beautiful. Hey, man, I got the car on the video. That thing nasty, man. We just walking through.
32s maybe?
Ain't nasty. But look who I got with me, guys. Angie and the kid. She got her ride or die with her. She walking with us, man. Walk over here. Oh, they go Swole right there. This guy. Look at this wild, the Sabre guy. Woo. Okay.
Bring 100 pounds.
I'll get back with you guys. Hey guys, we back. I got the El Camino on video, but I didn't get this bike. This bike is crazy. Probably never see another one like this. This is nuts. Oh wow, is that right, guys? That's crazy. Oh my goodness. That is nuts. That El Camino is bad. That is really cool. Got a headlight on it. Got spokes. Like I say, you never know what you're gonna see when you come to these cars. You got air ride on it, guys. Thing is absolutely, that's badass. Damn. Hey guys, drop in the comment section, man, and let me know what's the favorite car that you've seen at the show when I get through with this video. Drop in the comment section and let me know. All right, back to the cars. Ooh, look at this beauty. That's leather, guys. Come on, man. Wow. Gas, nuts. Got sunroof, everything. That's pretty. Like I say, it's a lot of stuff out here. I ain't gonna try to get them all because I ain't. But the backdrop is nuts, man. Hey, look at the backdrop. Got all the prison. Still got the wire up and everything, man. Nice Lexus. Got the light up badge on it. Y'all seen Swole coming in. He late. This reminds you of CJ car. Yes, sir. Look at the little smart car. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this guy. We pulling up all late. Pulling up all late. He pulling up all late, man. Look at this. It's crazy. Yeah, we're gonna walk and look at some old cars. You all late? You all late? Huh? Alright. Hey guys, I'll get back with you in a second. Man, look at that thing, man. Whee! They coming in, boy. Oh, wait, whoa. I know y'all remember this.
Okay.
I know y'all remember this Porsche right here. This the one with the big wide, yeah, it's wide body. Y'all saw this on my video from Lincoln Commons, man. Look, y'all remember? Look at the wheels. I just happened to see it sitting here, man. This car is out of sight. He got thick on the plates. I know y'all remember this car from Lincoln Commons. Thing is beautiful. What's up, man? Man, thing is bad. Well, look down the side. Look at the hips, guys. Yeah. Look at this thing right here. Woo-wee. That thing hitting hard, boy. All right, guys, I get back to the. Hey, guys. There go the Demon 170 that CJ raffled off. What up, boy?
What's up with you, man?
Chillin', man. Look at this thing, man. Yes, sir. It's real. And he still got it, too. And he still got it. Yeah. Wait a minute. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in yours. Beautiful, man. Different. I like that. What up, boy? Chilling, baby. Man. There's cars everywhere, guys. Look at the Impala SS. Sheesh. At the prison, bro. This thing clean, too. Look at this. That big block in there. Sheesh. That's it. Follow him on YouTube, man. So, man, a lot of stuff out here, man. There's cars everywhere. I'm gonna walk back that way. Y'all see where we at, man. The prison, man. A lot of people been in this prison, boy. This motherfucker's crazy. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Look who I done ran up on. The queen. Wait. Got it. Let them see it. Let them see it, girl. Hey, long overdue.
Yeah, most definitely.
That's all I'm going to say, buddy.
Most definitely.
Swerve vote 2 times in the building.
What up, man?
What up, man?
Make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy Catfish Corner. You already know what's going on. What we on the road to?
I got 5K.
All right, let's
10K.
get us a 5.5K by the end of this year.
Appreciate it, y'all.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what to do, man. Make that
Hey,
move.
we got Dane
What up,
over.
my boy?
We got Dane over here
doing?
too. He trying to be camera shy and shit.
Huh? Bro, everybody
No. I zoom this shit in on your ass.
Everybody all over the place.
That's my dog right there. He got one of the cleanest Impalas out here.
Sir.
This boy's
Yes,
bet,
sir.
boys.
Hey, man. Chilling, man.
Hey, I'm finna give me.
Let's come outside to have fun.
Trying to give me one. I'm gonna give me one.
Hey, we gotta go back to back, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go. Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, man. Look at this guy. This guy right here. Oh, wait a minute. Little head. Come on up. Get on the vlog, man. I was looking for you. What up, little head? Y'all got little head on the vlog.
What's going on?
What up, man? Chillin', man. Y'all
I
outside.
know you seen that black Benz over there.
Huh?
I know you seen that black Benz over there, man.
That ain't yours.
No.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's one like that.
It's nasty. I seen it.
Yeah.
I seen it.
So what's the difference? I know it's a little longer. So
It's a 300 probably, and I got a 190. Yeah.
okay, so the bigger the number,
Yeah, it's big.
the longer
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep. All right, boy. I had to put the gang, all the gang.
yeah.
I got everybody on the vlog, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. We don't get to hang out too often.
Man, we outside today.
I know.
You going live today? You going
No,
live?
tonight, 8 o'clock.
You
I
going
got
live downtown?
I got a big no. I got a big announcement to make at 8
You
o'clock.
going live downtown?
No. I'm gonna do it at home. All right, man. Oh, my goodness. We gonna walk this way. Go that car, that 170 that CJ sold. I mean, it raffled off right there.
$15 for a $7 beer.
Yes, sir. The one CJ raffled off, guys. It's real. We in a prison, man. Man, this used to be one of the biggest prisons in the country back in the day. Yep. They got it all locked down today, though. Oh, ain't no cars that way. Well, I think we better go the other way, guys. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we got Richie truck out here. What? Richie got the truck, the car out here, man. Right-hand drive. Come on, man. I don't know where he is, but thing is gorgeous, man. Look at the etching. I don't know if y'all can see the etching. See the etching in the grill? Yep. One Stop did a lot of work on this car, man. Yep. This is the first time it's ever been on my channel, though. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna show the exhaust tips. One Stop got this done for him. Y'all see the etching? Look at the etching. Yep. Yeah, they do a lot of stuff, man. A lot of people rock with them, man. They're my guys. Yeah, I don't know where Richie at, though, but this car's bad, man. You don't even see these. It's a Laurel. Yep. A lot of stuff out here, man. I'm gonna try to get Gabe's truck on the video. Y'all know Gabe is here. This thing nasty, too. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get Gabe's truck on here for you guys. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys. We got PC out here. What up, PC, man? Hey, man, Big Luke car, man. I ain't give the boy no love, man. That car nasty. Man, that thing is gorgeous, man. What Gabe truck at? I know. I gotta get Gabe truck on here. Got CJ right there. Yeah, Gabe truck. Gabe truck. Hey, Gabe, don't run nobody over, boy. That Gabe truck, y'all. Look at this. Look at that thing. Look at this one. Man. That's nuts. I don't even know how the hell they get up in that motherfucker. Dang. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Light as shit.
I know. That's crazy, man. Look at Marty Mart putting in work. Look at it. Marty Mart putting in work. What up, CJ?
What up, Catfish Corner?
Chillin',
Your ass
man.
is officially fired.
Hey, man. You know I'm gonna make that happen. I got you. Got Rail to Reel over here. I got Rail to Reel right there. He tall, so I can hold the camera up and get him. That thing crazy, man. Good meeting you, bro. Take care, guys. We got Rail in the building. What up, Mike?
What's up, Catfish?
Chillin', man.
Catfish Corner in the building.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, man.
Trying to do a little something.
What you bring out here, man?
Huh? Nothing. I went to a show early this morning. I get back to 11:30. So yeah, man. That's my brother Rail right there. We've been friends forever.
We come out here. I'm talking about since I first started.
Yep, me too.
You know what I'm saying?
Me too.
This
Long time ago.
when the dog
Yes,
died, all
sir.
them.
Yes, sir.
We've been on the road together.
First time I was
City
seeing
to
him.
city. Oh, man.
That's
Look,
nasty. Yeah, look something
Yeah,
slight.
look something.
Oh, wait a minute. We got Big C in the building. This dude, where you been, man? Big C, what up, boy? What up, Big C? Hey, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. Hey, man, just out here doing a little something. Hey, I gotta hit. I gotta get off of here. Hey, guys, I'll be back. Get back with y'all. Hey, guys. Look who we done ran across. We done ran across Drac, man. We done ran across Drac, man. Come on, man. I ain't seen Drac since last year, man. It's finna go under the knife pretty soon, though, yeah. Yes, sir.
Something like that, I can still get into like a
Yes, sir. Man, everybody out here, man. Yes, sir. Drac is in the building. Dusty, but it's a lot of dust out here. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys. Hey, New York, I had to get this bike on here for you, man. I know you're a big bike. Look at this thing, man. God damn. Woo! He ain't playing no games with this thing. Sheesh. Wow. Hey, nice. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys on this. Hey, guys, we back. We had to get Mr.75 on the blog, but he kind of busy. He kind of busy, but I had to get him on the blog, though, man. Him and his brother, they working hard, man. And like I told him, if I didn't speak to him, he'd been mad at me. Nice truck. Got the whale wheels on it, too. Nice. Things all good. Yes, sir. Got this guy over here. Got another luxury sport. What up, boy? And clean too. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from Mr.75 show at the Joliet prison, man. And just like that, this video is over. Talk to you guys in the next one.